everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Trust Wallet account. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you never miss another upcoming update from us. You can easily delete your Trust Wallet account. Start off by opening up your Trust Wallet application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Before deleting your account, remember that you must have zero balance left in your wallet. Otherwise, you'll lose the fund and won't be able to get it back. Transfer your funds to a fellow friend or any other Trust Wallet application that you trust. Once you are done with it, from the home page of Trust Wallet, tap on the Settings button in the lower right-hand corner. From the Settings menu, tap Wallets. All of the wallets that you have for your Trust Wallet will be displayed on the screen. If you'd like to delete a wallet, simply swipe the wallet towards the left side in order to bring up the Delete button. Tap on Delete and confirm your selection by tapping on Delete from the pop-up, but make sure you have a backup of your wallet before deleting as well. Once you are done, tap Delete, and that is how you can quickly and easily delete a wallet for your Trust Wallet account. After you delete your wallet, if you reactivate your wallet within 30 days from deletion, your account will not be deleted, or else it will. In order to restore a deleted wallet, you need to have a backup phrase. Simply tap on I already have a wallet and type in the backup phrase that you already have backed up, and you'll be able to restore your wallet on Trust Wallet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.